You will agree with me that Safemoon has been soaring in popularity in the past 3 months. Some might be wondering how a coin that just hit the market will be trending so much. It's not coincidence, guys. The development team behind this coin has a track record of success in this industry. They have come up with a new idea of deflationary tokenomics models. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Facts. We are giving away $25 at the end of this month to one of our random subscribers to start their crypto journey. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment on your favorite crypto coin in the comment section. It helps you to get notified when we post more contents just like this. In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you Safemoon's plan to hit $1 step by step. Trust me, this is going to be another exciting video. You need to watch it till the end without wasting much of your time. Let's go straight into the business of the day. You will agree with me that Safemoon has been soaring in popularity in the past 3 months. Some might be wondering how a coin that just hit the market will be trending so much. It is not a coincidence, guys. The development team behind this coin has a track record of success in this industry. The number one step is that they have come up with a new idea of deflationary tokenomics model. Essentially, these tokens have a built-in mechanism that destroys a small part of every transactions in that currency. In theory, as more people trade the currency, the supply will continue to get destroyed, which pushes the price up. This automatic burn tends to be combined with an auto-staking element as well, which means that every transaction will see some of its value distributed to the remaining holders of the said token. For example, Safemoon has a 5% burn rate and a 5% auto-staking rate. If you buy or sell 100 in Safemoon, for instance, $5 of the token will be destroyed permanently, while the other 5% will be transferred to the remaining holders. So, long-term holders of Safemoon can watch their wallets automatically keep growing, while available quantities continue to shrink due to the burn rate. The number 2 step includes a master plan. Safemoon has the potential for more exchange listing. Despite its massive explosion and value, Safemoon is available on a very few exchanges. Aside from Pancake Swap, Safemoon is only available on relatively small exchanges such as Gate.io, MXC.com, Bitmart, and Whitebit. There is therefore a possibility of listing on some of the more prominent exchanges in the near future. Exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken could become the subsequent potential exchanges or Safemoon trades. Apparently, Binance is the most obvious choice because Safemoon uses their smart chain network. Since Safemoon is in such high demand, it makes sense for Binance to make it available through their exchange to a broader audience. Safemoon's intention to utilize Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken to do community charity. Considering the strong demand this project has generated so far, this could encourage these exchanges to list it. Exchanges are businesses, and anything that helps drive up user numbers and drive up liquidity is good business. The question is whether they will all list it. But one thing is certain, one of them will list it eventually. From an investor perspective, this is an excellent reason to invest in Safemoon in participation of such listing. Step number 3 is a design that discourages selling. The design of Safemoon is made such that it discourages the selling of this cryptocurrency by levying sellers 10% of tax. So if someone sells their Safemoon, 5% of the value goes to its current holders in comparison, and the other 5% plays its part in elevating the price of Safemoon by destroying, which reduces the supply. This process is quite similar to that of other cryptocurrency projects, where the holdings of cryptocurrency generates interest, and this method is also known as yield farming. To benefit the holders of this currency, a lot of money has to be invested in producing profits for its holders. It can also be said that Safemoon convinces its investors to hold and pile in their investment, a process that is much similar to another cryptocurrency as well. The next step is Safemoon gives holder earn reward. One of the key factors that had driven the growth of DeFi is earning money passively. This is the main reason why the amount of money locked continues to grow by the day. Safemoon is right in the middle of this craze. The project is designed so that anyone holding the token gets to earn passive reward from it. Safemoon makes this happen through something called RFI static reflection. Through this system, anyone who holds Safemoon can expect their rewards to grow forever. This is a factor likely to draw in more users into Safemoon for a couple of reasons. First, It guarantees that there will always be demand for Safemoon. That's because in a market as volatile as crypto, the ability to increase one's holding predictably is a big deal. Secondly, Safemoon is one of the cryptocurrencies that stands to have price stability long term. That's because a majority of those buying it are doing so with the goal of holding. Price stability could see Safemoon attract institutional money in the long run. That's a good reason to buy and hold Safemoon long term. Step number 5. Safemoon is following up on its roadmap. When investing in cryptocurrencies, the roadmap is a critical factor. Implementation gaps are usually a sign that the team is either incompetent or does not care about the project. In such case, there is always the risk of being left holding the bag while the developer team exit rich. From this perspective, Safemoon is a good project. Safemoon has met every development metric set out for every quarter since its launch. Safemoon completed onboarding Dogecoin for trading against the baby palm in the first quarter of 2021. The project also worked on integrating Bitmart and got the legal process right for the same. In quarter 2, the team is working on the tokenomics for integrating Whitebit. Additionally, Safemoon is working on its app, wallet, and games. It is clear that Safemoon is a project to buy right now, and the roadmap has been so carefully followed. Step number 6, about Safemoon's coin burn feature built into the protocol. The coin supply is one of the most important factors people consider when buying cryptocurrency. In the long run, it could either accelerate or stagnate crypto's growth. The coin supply is what makes Bitcoin unique, with a cap supply of only 21 million coins once fully mined. It is obvious that the price will continue to rise. Despite high coin supply, some cryptos are thriving because they burn coins occasionally to reduce supply. Binance Coin is one such crypto through regular coin burns. Binance has cut their numbers of coins in circulations relative to demand. As a result, the price has risen from under $1 a few years ago to over $600 a few months ago. But due to the price correction in the crypto market currently, BNB is trading at about $340 today. You will agree, this is not bad considering the fact that the coin first traded at $0.11 when it first listed on the coin market cap. If you want financial stability, invest in crypto. Safemoon is taking a similar approach to Binance Coin through an automated burning coins. As per project website, the total numbers of coin burned now stands at 416 trillion. That's a pretty impressive number, and if it's sustained while demands keep rising, Safemoon could make it to $1 someday. So it's a huge incentive to buy and hold Safemoon long term. Guys, the development team is not joking about their intention to make this asset hit $1. It's left to you to position yourself so that you don't miss it out. From these few points, you will certainly agree with us that Safemoon has a solid master plan to hit $1. Do you have further questions? With all this information, would you still invest in Safemoon? Let us know in the comment section below. We have got 2 more videos waiting for you at the screen to check out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up today and subscribe to our channel to get us 5,000 subscribers for weekly content like this. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the next video too, because it's going to be a mind-boggling video. Bye bye.